Okay, guys, so B1000, I want to show you guys the strategy which you can use to catch spikes. You can see the accuracy. Yeah, you can see the accuracy over 95% accuracy. You can see how it catches the spike just at this point. Immediately price dropped down to level 10. There was a massive spike right there. So you can use this strategy to catch spikes on boom and crash. B1000, B500, crash 1000, crash 500. Okay, so that's the strategy. It's crazy. It's crazy. If you look, there's a trade that I jumped in earlier. You can see the same thing. Had to wait for market to get to that point, and there was a massive spike, and we are running profits. I don't want to close this because I have a bit of price action to back this up as well. That's why I don't want to close it, because I'm still expecting more spikes. You can see just we had some spikes there. That means market will keep going up and up and up because there's a target above, right? So you can see the same thing here. There was massive spike whenever market touches that line. These the level 10, level 20 area. There's a massive spike. Okay. The same thing here. There's a massive spike right there too. The same thing here. There's a massive spike. So I'll delete everything here and add them again. Okay. All right. So like I said, the zoom level can keep it here. This is the zoom level. This is 1, 2, and 3. And I want to say something about this zoom level, because a lot of people come to me, sir, you did not tell us the zoom level. This is very, very simple. If I open a strategy or a video and I see candlesticks like this size of candlestick, I will know. I will just go and tweak my phone. I'll zoom in and zoom in. If I have the same candlestick with what I'm seeing on the video, in that video, that means it's the same thing. It's the same zoom level. I'll understand it's the same zoom level. If I leave it here, this is the second zoom level. I'll also see the video there. Is it the same size of candlesticks? It's still the same thing. All right, so this is the first zoom level. This is the second. This is the third. So I would advise you guys to keep it here on the third zoom level if you want to catch spikes with this strategy. The third zoom level. All right, so you stay on the 1 minute time frame to catch spikes on boom and crash. All right, what you need to do is just wait and make sure that all conditions are made before catching spikes. And another thing you need to know when catching spikes, you need to know if price is in an uptrend or downtrend. If you are in my academy, those my students, they are aware. They know when price in an uptrend or downtrend. They know all this. Okay, yeah. So you need to learn how to identify that. If you can have price action knowledge, a bit of price action knowledge, and add it with your indicator, trust me, you'll never lose. Trust me, you'll be making money back to back. You'll be winning all your trades. Okay, you'll be winning all your trades. So yeah, before I show you guys the settings, please, if you're new on our channel, you're coming to my video, you're seeing my video for the first time here on YouTube, please show some love, comments here. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share with friends. Okay, let friends join and learn also, because if you check our platform, we are doing the most. My VIP is killing the market. We are making so much money. Our VIP signals accuracy is over 95%. We give you risk management tips. I share chart analysis and so much more for you guys to learn, to know how to manage your trade. Give you risk management tips, chart analysis, give you asset to trade, and let you know the least lot size or the risk involved in every trade, the probability of that trade. Okay, so that's how we manage our trades, our students, okay, and our VIP members. Okay, then mentorship, it's on. You guys should join mentorship. January batch is open very soon. We resume January batch, so make sure that you join. Check the description of this video to join me. Okay, to join the other students and learn price action. Then accounts management is open. If you have up to $200, just hit me up. Let's make money, guys. We must make money this year. We cannot close this year like we closed last year. We must make so much money this year. I want to teach everybody. Everything I know about trading is what I want to show you. You need to know how to make money. You need to know how to do fishing by yourself, okay? So let me quickly show you guys the settings. The first thing you need to do is click on this plus sign here. The first indicator you're bringing in will be RSI. You know I love using RSIs, and there's a reason for me using RSI. RSI does not lag. I hope I'll remember to tell you guys my reason for RSI. Same in this video. So on the period here, we have period 15 applied to typical price. Okay. Then levels here, we have level 90, we have 10, we have 20, we have 8. Okay, the color here is black. You click on done. Then down here where you have style, you put should be second pixel. All right, then the color is blue, and that's it. You click on done. All right, then now let me tell you why I say I love using what is it called, RSI. RSI does not lag, unlike other indicators. There's some indicators when you move your screen like this, they will shift, they will jump from where it was and jump up. With RSI, once RSI gets to a certain level, it will tell you. And if RSI keeps going down, it will let you know that the price is still going down. We are in a strong downtrend. But if you add other indicators, sometimes they jump and sometimes they lag, okay, and doesn't tell you exactly the movement in the market. So that's why I always like to use RSI to support my strategy so that you don't make mistake. Okay, so the next indicator you're bringing in will be, you click on indicator window 1. You're bringing in what is it called? Ichimoku. Tenkan Sen is 8. Kijun Sen, sorry. Tenkan Sen is 4. Kijun Sen is 4. Senko span B is 62. And you click this place and fill that place there. Then Tekun Sen is blue. Okay. Then Kijun Sen is red. Chiku span is white. Up Kumo is white, down Kumo is white. Why are they white? Because my MT5 background is white, so I don't want it to be shown on the chart. That's why it's white. So if you're using black background, then you should use the same color as your background. I mean, from Chiku span, up Kumo and down Kumo should be the same as your MT5 background. Okay, then you click on done. It's a very simple strategy. You can see it's still spiking. Fortunately, I was about opening a position down here before the spike happened, but it's okay. It's all good, right? So, like I said, this is B1000. Your work is for it to wait for market to drop to this point, to the oversold zone. Once you see the two indicators down at this point, it's either the blue indicator gets to level 20 or 10, then the red one touches the level 20. Be at alert, because it's going to spike at that point. All right. Okay. Then the same thing here. It's going to spike. The same thing here. Massive spike, guys. Look at that long spike. Guys. Massive. So my strategy is killing the market. We're making so much money every day. Whenever I'm feeling lazy to analyze the market, I use this strategy to catch spikes and makes good money. Make good money, guys. Look at that. Everywhere. So this strategy is very simple. All you need to do is to wait patiently and see what's gonna happen. And another thing I want to tell you guys, when you start seeing tiny spikes, good. Something like this, you start seeing tiny spike, like this one here. You can see that tiny blue dots there. Once you start seeing tiny spikes, run. Don't wait to catch spike. Look at what happened here. This is where market started going down. All right, it started going down till once you start seeing tiny spikes, run away. That's a bad one. That's not a good setup. But you can see when we didn't see tiny spike in between, we did not have tiny spike in between. There was a massive spike. Immediately the market touched the level 20. There was a massive spike. So by the time once you start seeing tiny spike like what you see here, tiny spike like what you have here, be careful, it will go down for a very long time. Tiny spike like what we have here. You can see what is happening here. You can see where the market started going down. This is where the market started going down. We're still going down. So from there, down, because we're having tiny spikes. So once you start seeing tiny spikes, guys, run for your life. It will keep going down for a long time. Keep going down for a long time. Okay, so yeah, that's the strategy. Very simple. You can see that now. You can see tiny spike here. You can see the tiny spike right there, and it was down. You can see tiny spike. It was down for a very long time. So once you start seeing tiny spike, run. It's not going to spike anytime soon. So yeah, that's it, guys. Check the description of this video to join this platform. Chat me up, guys. If you want to have any issue, any challenge at all, just come to me, come to my DM on WhatsApp or my Telegram and chat me up. Let's make money. Let's grow together. That's the purpose. That's the purpose of creating this platform, is to make sure that everybody grow. We grow alongside together, make good money together, right? Yep. Bye.